To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. It's tricky enough when we try to shed some weight, especially when it's concentrated in a specific area of the body. Though the arms are often considered a problem area when it comes to losing fat there are a few ways that we can tone just our arms. Bicep curls. These involve raising and lowering a weight in a 180-degree range of motion. Begin with your arm extended along your side, and bring your forearm up toward your shoulder. Doing this will yield some serious results. And the good thing is, it doesn't require a gym to do this. You can simply get a set of dumbbells for under $11, or you can opt to use some household products, like jugs of water or soup cans, and you'll get the same results. Dips. Use some parallel bars or even a sturdy chair at home. With your arms shoulder-width apart by your wrist, grab whatever surface you are dipping on. Then bend your elbow at a 90-degree angle, bringing your whole body down, and extend to straighten your arms. Doing this will help build a strong tricep and also help you define your pectoral muscles. Lat pull-down. This is how this works. Using a pull-down machine, grip the bar and pull it to chest level, then raise it again. This exercise makes it easy to build your biceps quickly and also helps in strengthening and toning your shoulders. This in turn will make your arms look leaner. You should also add some cardio to your workouts, because cardio is king when it comes to shedding that fat that is making your arms wiggle. Have a grapefruit juice. Remember that what you eat is just as important as the workouts you do. Instead of taking an electrolyte drink after your workouts, try having some grapefruit juice instead. It's been noted that drinking a half cup of grapefruit juice before meals reduces your body weight. And when you lose fat generally, it disappears all over your body. Add more protein. While you may decide to do some specific workouts to tone your arms, you should also add some extra protein to your diet. More protein intake can increase muscle synthesis by as much as 25%. This means that you have the direct ability to build stronger muscles faster and in the privacy of your own home. Adding to this, you should learn to eat cleanly. You simply cannot lose body fat, or just your arm jiggle, without eating a good and clean, nutritious diet. Unless you make some changes to what you eat, you'll never succeed. Add some vegetables to your meal, as well as a portion of healthy, whole-grain carbohydrates, such as brown rice or sweet potatoes. You can also use fruits to satisfy your sweet tooth. How else can you get rid of arm fat? Please share with us in the comments below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.